This is the mini lesson for lesson 1.4 in your book, and you do not have this page. But what I would really like you to do is to copy the table into the blank page space on page 31 in your book. So what this table is that's a number sign. So I'm being a little lazy here, but it's the number of minutes and number of gallons, and we have 4 and 6, and then 8, 12, and 20. And what this table stands for is the table shows the number of gallons of water per minute the average shower uses. So first thing we want to do is figure out how we determine the number of gallons for 8 minutes. So one of the relationships I see with tables is going from here to here. This is times 2. So here to here would also be times 2. Or I could have said 4 plus 4 is 8, so 6 plus 6 gives me the 12. If I want to do the same thing to find out for 12 minutes, I've got some different options. I might see that 4, going back here, times 3 gives me 12, so 6 times 3 gives me 18. Another way that I might see that is you might notice that 4 plus 8 equals 12, so 6 plus 12 equals 18. So again, there's not one right way to do math, and these are just some different things that I'm seeing. For 20 minutes, again, we could see some different things. I might go back to here. I'm kind of a scale up, scale down person, so I'm seeing that 4 times 5 is 20, so 6 times 5 is 30. Now someone else might look at this and they're more of an addition person. They see 8 plus 12 is 20, so 12 plus 18 is 30. So again, more than one way. This is kind of what you're going to be doing then for today's lesson. And this lesson is going to be kind of a nice review lesson, but we're going to be using tables. So there's not a lot of new curriculum. So what I'd like you to focus on as you're working through is we're going to right away jump into work time. So as you're working with your groups, I would like you to have your marking the text bookmark out, and I would like you to practice your marking the text strategies. So remember, circling words like that tell you what we're going to be doing. So if you have to determine, if you have to write, if you have to calculate, if you have to complete, those are all words that we should be circling. We're also circling numbers. So think about what needs to be underlined, what needs to be circled. So you will work through page 32 and 33 and 34 and 35. When you get to 36, we're going to skip problem 6, but you will continue on with 7